Because this is a very old cafe. Because very old and very.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Leopold Coffee and Bar. I was informed that it was very popular here in Mumbai, and the history of this cafe is like it was attacked by some terrorists before, and now they become more popular. So parang yung literal na welcome to Marine Drive, Mumbai, India. Ang daming taong namamasyal dito. Hindi ko alam kung mga magdiwa to or mga magbabatado. Ganda. Yung parang langit nila madilim. Maganda lang dito. Nagpo-practice sila. Nagpo-practice sila. May nagpo-practice dito ng sayaw. Sumasayaw sila. Baliti Drive, guys. Ewan ko, bakit may anak ko, parang may tamas ako sa Baliti.
You know, the kalaysa, right?
Yeah.
Is their means to deliver the drinks.
Yeah.
All over Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai.
Just imagine all over Mumbai.
Yes.
And all over Mumbai also come here to wash their clothes.
Yes.
Their laundry.
This one, 5,000 people working. 5,000.
5,000?
Yes. And the washing, iron, different department.
Oh, okay.
And the delivery and the come back and the keep this one hotel, room, hospital. Into this vlog, I am going to the Pulavo Market. Dapat sa Crawford Market ako yun. Pero sabi mo sa Tado daw pag bingo, so I changed it. I love India. May friend kasi ako na nagsabi na pupuntahan ko daw yung Pulavo Market, tapos meron siyang may kape siya doon na favorite. So itry natin. Tapos sabi niya mag-picture daw kapag nandun ako. Chalice accepted. So parating na.
In the Colaba Hotel, I'm very close to all the tourist spots.
Point, the Gateway of India.
Yeah.
So guys, if you want to go here, go to the old Mumbai in Dongra. What's this? That was the Dongri area. Dongri area, or you can just come here in the Colaba area market, and you can find your place here. Then all of the tourist spots here you can walk, right, my friend? Because from here, the Gateway of India is how many minutes? See, from car it will take like 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes because of the 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can walk to Marine Drive, right? Yes. And in Colaba area, market, you can see everything here.
Look. What's the name of that? Is that church, my friend?
No, that's the municipal corporation of Mumbai.
But not allowed to go there, no? To film.
Today it is closed. Government is closed on Sundays.
Oh my gosh. Because it's holiday, no?
Yeah. Sunday is a national holiday.
Hi friends, welcome to Mumbai. Okay. Yung friend ko kasi nag-challenge sa akin na mag-picture daw ako sa Cafe Mundigar. O, ayan na siya. Ayan na ang Cafe Mundigar. Saka nakapag-selfie na ako. Ang ganda ng area na to ng India. Kasi parang para sa akin na parang may Europe vibe siya. So, Lord, ang ganda ng bus nila. Parang Singapore. Need ko magbili ng shade kasi parang nakakaya mo siya. Takot ako tumawin. Catherine Locke. No, thank you. Parang super crowded sa Cafe Mundigar. So mamaya na tayo. Siyempre nandito tayo. Kain tayo dito. Tignan natin kain na. Parang gusto ko bumili. Gusto ko sana magdaan din pala sa may market. Ang ganda. Pag gusto niyo ng mga customer accessories, dami kong choice. Pati sa mga bags. May wallet niya. Ganda. Oh my God, super safe yung mga daanan doon. Pero ang ganda talaga ng area na to. This is the Colaba Market. You can come here, guys. Mga damit. Iba-ibang klase, iba-ibang brand. Meron lahat dito. Siksikan nga lang ng tao. Ang maganda. That's why, no?
Yeah, this is named the Leopold Cafe. It's a very famous.
Ah, this is really Leopold Cafe.
Yeah, and this is entered by this gate.
I have information that it was exactly for the
Yes, this is first the taste is here. Here sitting the right 2080 people.
Really?
Yeah, 2006, 26 11.
But can we hit the street? It's very hard.
Because today is very less people. Sometimes it's a queue like that. Meters up, 100 meters. And I have nearby my own stores, like customized store and foods. So my stores here, outgate.
Yeah, later.
Okay, no problem. This is your friend, friend. And the ask
What's the name of the brand of your store?
my store, the name, the Royal Button. I make is here the Jindal Royal Button. Ask the Mr. Gulab Khan. Mr. Gulab Khan is the best designer and the best discount and the best quality in the fabric.
You can visit him or you can call his number or order.
You are to order me and this is WhatsApp me and this is call me and this is come here and this first come to India and visit and explore to my store because what's every good fabric because India is produced linen fabric, Kashmir wool, Kashmir wool and the silk and the save your money because in here the labor very cheap.
Yeah, and his area, guys, his area surrounded by all the tourist spots that you want to visit.
This is area is the name the Leopold Cafe, Colaba, and the nearby is Chocolate Land. My store is the name Royal Button. This is Chocolate Land.
What's your name?
My name is Gulab.
Gulab. Nice to meet you.
Gulab Khan, K.H.N. Khan.
James.
Nice to meet you, James.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Social.
Colaba
Social.
Social.
Because this is a very old cafe. Because very old and very
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Leopold Coffee and Bar. I was informed that it was very popular here in Mumbai. And the history of this cafe is like it was attacked by some terrorists before, and now they become more popular. So parang yung literal na for example, pag bumagsak ka, bumangon ka ng bonggang-bongga. Ito yung pagbangon nila ng bonggang-bongga. At may natapod sa rin sa akin na if fall down, the line will be like very long. The line like very long. And konti-konti na lang yung halid nila. So, excited.
next destination is
Yes.
where? Hanging Garden. Next what? Next what?
Next one, then Chopati Beach.
Chapati Beach. Right?
Yes.
Next destination, Chapati Beach.
And then-
let's go to beach.
Yes. And then Malwar Hill,
Marwal Hill.
and the Jain Temple.
Jain
Jain.
Temple.
Yes.
Jain Temple.
This is 200 years old, and the Jain Temple.
And Jain Temple is 200 years old.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
And then Hanging Garden.
And then Hanging Garden.
Yes.
Jain Temple and then Hanging
And the
Garden.
last point,
Gateway of India.
no, Gandhi Museum.
Gandhi Museum.
Yes, all history and the Gandhi.
Gandhi Museum.
Yes. And
Then the last?
and the Gate of India.
Okay, the last is the Gate of
Progress.
And
Finish.
and we go to Dongra. Dongoran,
Dongri.
Dongria.
Everything. Yeah, Axis Bank.
This is the business area.
Yes.
This is the business area of Dubai.
Mango.
If you think this one is apartment,
Yeah.
no, it's all offices.
All offices.
Yeah.
And the sea.
See? All of that is
Union
offices.
Bank, the DCB Bank. Everything that from
There's
Maharashtra.
there is ADCB Bank here
Yes.
also.
Yeah.
Because ADCB Bank is
Yeah.
in Abu Dhabi, right?
Abu Dhabi DCB Bank. Abu Dhabi Bank.
ADCB Bank is
Yeah.
Abu Dhabi Bank. So there is here.
Yes. Everything.
Guys, Lakan, not apartment building, office building.
Yes. All office.
This one also office building.
Also.
Wow. Office building. All office building.
Yes.
That one also. So this is the business area. This is the business area, guys.
This one. Indus Bank, SBI Bank. This one, Canara Bank.
Canara Bank.
Yes. Metal Chamber and everything.
Wow. It's like Makati area in the
Yes,
Philippines. You know the Philippines?
Tomorrow,
It's like Makati area. This is the business area.
this one.
And we're going to the beach.
Yes.
Guys, ayun na.
This is Oberoi Hotel.
Oberoi Hotel. Okay. What's this name?
Marian Drive,
Marian Drive.
Nariman Point, and then Marian Drive.
Marian Drive.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay.
Guys, ito yung beach sa Mumbai. Hanggang doon pala to, hanggang doon. Welcome to Marine Drive, Mumbai, India. Ang daming taong namamasyal dito. Hindi ko alam kung mga magdiwa to or mga magbabatada. Ganda. Di parang langit nila madilim. Maganda lang dito. Nagpo-practice sila. Nagpo-practice sila. Na may nagpo-practice dito ng sayaw. Sumasayaw sila. Baliti Drive, guys. Ewan ko, bakit may anak ko, parang may takot ako sa Baliti. Ayun ka lang, tapos pagpunta ka dito, sightseeing lang, tapos feeling close to the seas. Pwede rin date spot. Kasi parang umuulan na. Takpan kita,
yung ulan. I was stopped by the police here because they say me having videos. I was stopped, then they said that not allowed for video and they're asking me for money. So I told them na wala akong pera, I only have 400 rupees. Kinuha nila yung 400 rupees. Tapos pinakawalan ako. Sabi ko sa sila na magpe-penalty daw ako. Sabi ko sana ako magbabayad ng penalty. Yan ang sabi ko sa kanila. Pero hindi naman nila ako pinakit sa opisina nila. Pinapasok lang ako dun sa car. Tapos yun. Una hiningan ako ng 2,000 tapos naging 1,000 na. Wala talaga. Binayad ko na kasi sa tourist. Kung meron pa, magbibigay pa ng problema. Tapos, sabi ko, meron akong card. Pwede ko mag-swipe. Ayaw naman nila dahil wala daang card. Gusto nila cash. Eh, ang meron ako 400. Kinuha talaga yung 400 tapos pinaalis na. That's a bad experience. That's my first bad experience here in Mumbai. To the police itself. This is Sawaj Terminal, right?
Sorry?
This is Sawaj Terminal.
I'll tell you.
And that one for...
GM, corporation office. This corporation office.
Guys, it's so good to come here at night, no? Because the light makes it vibrant.
What's this name again, my friend? Chapret? Kapret. This Kapret area is beautiful, and then I like the vibes. Parang ano, parang lahat ng mga tao kasi dito, yung mga anak buhay nila is paglalaba lang. Lahat ng mga hospitals, apartment buildings, or residential area, pag magpapalaba sila, pupunta sila dito, tapos may sasalubong dyan, tapos meron na maglalaba. Yung mga tao na mga nakatira dito, lahat sila hanap buhay nila paglalaba lang. Paglalaba, merong machine sila. Pag meron sigurong kaya, pwede makabili ng machine. Tapos merong dryer. Tapos meron ding mga nagpa-plancha dyan. So, even if you don't have ability, basta marunong ka maglaba, marunong ka magplancha, pwede ka dito. Nagugulat lang ako kasi yung washing nila, pag nagdadress sila, as in tuyong-tuyo talaga. Yung mga nabibili kasi natin na washing machine, yung or dryer, pag dinadry natin, kailangan pa natin isampay kahit paano. Pero dito yung dryer nila, tuyong-tuyo talaga. And then I experienced, my friend, that the dryer is not throwing the dress, no? Yeah, the dryer, no? Yeah. So it's good. Because there are dryer in some area in the Philippines. You know, after how many dryer, the clothes like here no, right? Yeah, no. Maganda. Tsaka yung kagandahan ang sisipag nila kasi yung pag-deliver nila, di ba? So talagang pang maramihan yung mga labahan dito. Hinahakot talaga. Tapos para silang may mga kalayasa na yun yung the kalaysa, right? Yeah. Is their means to deliver the dress. Yeah. All over Mumbai. Just imagine all over Mumbai. Yes. And all over Mumbai also come here to wash their clothes.
Yes.
Their laundry.
This one, 5,000 people working. 5,000.
Ah, 5,000?
Yes. And the washing, iron, different department.
Oh,
And the delivery and the come back and the keep this one hotel, room, hospital and everything. People
Wow.
go inside and they coming and this is now finished and the washing and they give me money and they come back. Yeah.
it's clean because they come here often, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it's
No,
clean.
no.
Oh, wow, nice. The electricity not that big here.
No electricity.
Really?
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. What's this place again, my friend?
Again, this is Marian Drive.
Marian Drive.
you.